y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video, y'all. So I'm back with another Miracle Knots video. First and foremost, I want to give a special shout out for ElfinHair for sending me the hair. This right here is the hair. Do y'all see the hair? It is a beautiful. This is their 18-inch kinky coily hair, and we're going to be adding this in here. Kind of want to do like a bob where it mimics my hair that I used to have. As you guys can see, I have locks, but before my locks, your girl used to have big curly hair. Okay, let's see if I can achieve this look.
Alright y'all, so these are my locks. This is what I'm working with. I did a gentle retwist. This is the hair that we're using. As you guys can see, I'm going to pull on the crochet hair. We're going to use that loop there. We're going to hold on to our lock, pull the hair over, and then we're going to pull the crochet hair through the loop. So you want to make sure that you keep the thread together, and then you're going to pull the crochet hair just like that. Simple. So you're just doing a single loop over your lock. So again, you're going to hold on to your lock, hold on to the hair, the crochet hair, and you're going to pull your hair through that loop. So that was like a better visualization right there, as you guys can see how to hold it, and you're just going to simply pull your hair through the loop. Simple as that. And you're going to repeat that throughout the whole entire head of your hair. So the first 2 rows of my head, I added 3 crochet pieces to each lock. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. Hold on to your lock, open the loop, pull the crochet hair through the loop. Very, very simple. And you want to make sure that you make the knot on the thread. But as you guys can see, this is how full my hair is starting to look, just still with the first bundle, and we're only on the second row of my head. Your girl is really starting to feel herself at this point. But yeah, we are still on the first bundle and we're going up and up in my head. But y'all see how full this is? Do y'all see how full this is? And this is with using 3 crochet pieces on each lock. So now we're getting closer up to the front, and I wanted to show you guys how close the curl, the kinky coily curl, matches my own hair texture, and I'm just in love with it. So we're closer to the end now, and now I'm finally using the second bundle of hair. I have about 6 more locks, or probably 12 at the top of my head, but as you guys see, I'm showing you guys the last 3. I did it slightly different. Instead of adding 3 original crochet pieces spread out through the lock, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 crochet pieces at the very root of my lock. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So you're going to grab 2 crochet pieces, keep them close together. We're going to do the same technique with the loop. As you guys can see, the threads are together. Grab your lock, keep holding on to your lock, get as close to the root as possible, and then you're going to put a finger through the loop, create the loop, and then you're going to pull the hair through the loop, and then you're going to separate both of the crochet pieces that you have. So that's just me showing you that it's on the root of the lock. We're going to separate the 2 pieces of the crochet hair that we have in half, and we're going to do a slight pull so that it can lock in place. Okay, so that is what it should look like. This is going to help with more fullness. I like to separate it, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 more crochet piece onto my lock, but it's not going to be at the very top. It's going to be kind of middle, near towards the end of my lock. just so that we can have some length on there and to add some extra dimension. And I'm going to pull and I'm going to put that hair down. As you guys can see, like, it looks extremely full. So I'm going to be doing that same method for the last 6 pieces on the top of my head. But this is the complete look. As you guys can see, it's like very full, very beautiful, and I still have hair left over from the second bundle. Now I'm gonna go into customization. Make sure that you're being very careful with this, especially like if your locks are longer and you can't really tell where your lock is. But this hair was pretty long, longer than my locks, so I was okay. I'm going to grab a water bottle. Now this is essential. This is very important. Styling is very important. You want to make sure that you drown this hair in the water. Like, when I say drenched, I need you to have it drenched. Like, work the water through the hair. As you guys can see, there is a difference that the water makes, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and use a mousse. I'm using the Nairobi mousse. This is like the best mousse ever. And be generous, use a good amount, okay? And I'm gonna work that through there, and then I'm going to go in with a paddle brush, comb it through, and I'm going to finger coil sections of the hair. So this, I am acting as if this is my own curly hair, and I'm going to diffuse it. Y'all don't understand how beautiful this hair is going to look once it's done being diffused. As you guys can see, you can see my locks through the hair. Beautiful. I love it. And this is the final look. Now, I did go ahead and grab my pick that I surprisingly still have, and I just went towards the end of the curly hair and tried to pick it the best that I can to add some more volume. And y'all, like, do y'all not see like how good this looks? Like, it is just absolutely beautiful. I loved everything about this. It took me about 2 to 3 hours to complete this hairstyle. I started at 6 p.m. and I finished around 9ish, going on 10. But look how full that is.
Y'all, this hair is everything. If me doing it has not convinced you to put miracle knots in your head, then I don't know what you're doing. I honestly don't know what you're doing with your life. Y'all, like, this is beautiful. The hair texture, the curl pattern, it's everything. Like, it mimics my curl pattern so well that my locks that have the curls on the ends, you can't even see them. It's so full. I still have hair left over, so 2 bundles is more than enough. Like, look at that. I still have hair left over. This is comfort to me because I don't have my curls right now, but I have my curls right now. If you guys would like to purchase this hair, which I highly suggest that you do, the link is going to be down in the description box. There will be a discount code there. Make sure that you guys go ahead and use it so that you guys can get some points off of this hair. Remember, this is the 18-inch kinky coily, okay? 18-inch kinky coily. Don't forget it. The side part, like the volume with the side part, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. So beautiful. It's giving grown and sexy. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's up? Little update, it's the next day. I still love the hair. I did go ahead and spray it this morning just to refresh it, and this is what the curls look like. The curls look absolutely beautiful, but I just came to a realization that the last time I had miracle knots, I had them long, and I don't necessarily want it long. I want it a bit shorter, like into a bob. You see how cute that is? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut it into a bob. Now, may I regret this? I don't know, but we're gonna do it anyway. How I was gonna do it was split my hair into two. Like, the curl pattern is beautiful. It truly is beautiful. But I'm going to grab a section, and I think I want it right here. So I'm just gonna go and kind of like scissor it, just so it's not like a straight line and then, like, you know, it shows like that weird curly pattern. You know, when you cut curly hair, yeah, we don't want that. Okay, so far so good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab from the lead pieces so that I know where I'm cutting from. And I'm gonna try not to pull on the hair, because you know, curly hair is very bouncy, but we want to keep the curl length. And I also want the bob long enough or even enough where it covers my own locks. Look how cute is that? Look how cute is that? So this is how I would do a miracle knot bob. This is what it looks like. You can see my locks. Look how pretty. This is so pretty. Yeah, I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed it. There's different ways that you can do your miracle knots, style them, especially like if you have locks, you can definitely be versatile with it. I absolutely love this look. You know, long hair is cute. Long hair is very, very cute. I love a good long hair moment, but I've just been itching for a bob style. I'm like a sucker, SLUT for a bob. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the installation process, how it looked when it was longer and a little bit more fuller. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like this video. If you guys would like to see more videos on miracle knot styles, if you would like to see different hairstyles with my miracle knots, let me know down in the comments. Also, don't forget to use the discount code down below, linked in the description, so that you can get some coins off. Okay, and y'all could be out here looking cute too before the summer is over. All right, but I feel like this style is not just for the summertime, but it's very, very popular right now. Okay, so until the next one. Peace.